Happy Sunday, everybody. I got some new things to share today. I'm cooking this Better Goods radiatory. It's shaped like little radiators. This is blue. This is our baby. But I got this a few weeks ago, and now I'm cooking it with some deer meat. And I'm going to have it with Better Goods authentic Italian creamy vodka pasta sauce. We love the pasta sauce, the um, vodka sauce, sorry. And remember, I do suffer from aphasia, so sometimes I can't think of the words. We like the one from Trader Joe's, but Trader Joe's is really far away from us, and we don't go there very much. We haven't been there in years. Um, I also went to Aldi's yesterday, and I found this cute Valentine's tablecloth for our kitchen table. I know it's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I know. I know. And I didn't really need this, but it is kind of dumped into my cart. So if I can find the rest of my Valentine's decor, it'll be really cute with it. Hey, this is Blue. She's never around when I make videos, and she's lovable when she wants to be. And I got this bold scented LA's Totally Awesome. It's a dupe of Mrs. Myers, and it smells good. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it was $1 at Dollar General. You can get it at Dollar Tree. It's like $1.25 or $1.50. And we got this also 48 loads of stain remover and color booster. It's like their Clorox color safe bleach. And I think that's all we got. But yeah, I'm interested to try that pasta sauce and see what it tastes like. I told my friend Lori I was going to do it. So, hi, Lori, in New Mexico. Um, I also picked up these two nail files at Dollar General. And my favorite, it's not sugar free, but snack packs from, I guess Snack Pack is the brand. But yeah, I love me some butterscotch pudding. And my Amazon was kind of a flop. I thought these were plug in, and see, they're not very good. One of the lights keeps falling off, but these are my Valentine's lights I got to put in my kitchen bay window. Needless to say, I won't be using them because they're real tiny and they run on batteries. So I don't know. Let's see, I got some Smarties because I love Smarties. And I usually save these for when my blood sugar's running a little low. And I do have dirty dishes, but I can't wash those yet because I have stuff in my dishwasher. Other than that, it's going to be cold here in Indiana. We're going to have some very cold weather. My husband's working today. He just called me and said he's got to stop to get gas and then he'll be home. That's why I'm cooking because he's working and we will be going to my parents after we eat because we got to bring my mom's diapers back to put them in our trash because my dad doesn't have garbage service. But anyway, we had a good day yesterday. We went to Muncie. We went to Dollar General. We went to both Goodwills and we got some really cool stuff there that I can't show you right now. Um, I did get a new chair that I will be sitting in here in the kitchen. It'd be our desk chair. And I sit in a chair whenever I'm doing stuff around the kitchen. So this chair will go in back in our bedroom. I'll use at my dressing table, my like makeup table or whatever that I set in to do my hair, makeup and my hair, and when I do the laundry, because I have to sit down to do everything because my spine is like crumbling. Um, I think that's about it. So I will let you guys know how this turns out. Hopefully good. I'm sad I'm down. I used my last thing of venison that my dad got when he got his deer last year. But other than that, like I said, I got laundry soap. Nothing exciting. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.